Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Dinkle before you. Hindu's population share declined by nearly 8% between 1950 and 2015, while Muslims' share grew a record of 43% in the same period, according to a study by Economic Advisory Council to the Prime Minister. In 1950, Hindu population share was 84%, but it came down to 78% in 2015. However, in the same period, the share of minorities, including Muslims, Christians, Buddhists and Sikhs went up. The number of Jains and Parsis in the population mix decreased. Between 1950 and 2015, the Muslim population share in India surged by 43.15%. Christians saw 5.38% increase, while Sikhs saw a surge of 6.58%, and Buddhists also witnessed a slight increase. On the other hand, Muslims' share in the population recorded an increase from 9.84% to 14.9% in the same period of years, according to the EEAC PM study. The shrinking population of Hindus in India is the second most significant decline after the immediate neighborhood, just after Myanmar's 10% apart from the India. Nepal's majority community, that is of Hindus, saw 3.6% of decline in its share of the country's population. Within the immediate neighborhood of South Asia, India has witnessed the biggest decline in the majority population, 7.82%, only next to the Myanmar, which also witnessed 10% decline in its majority population over 65 years, said the report authored by economists Shamika Ravi, Abraham Jose and Apurv Kumar Mishra. The share of minorities as a composite group has increased significantly. In particular, India has witnessed an increase in the shares of Muslim, Christian, Buddhist and Sikh population and a decline in the shares of Jain and Parsi populations. The report, which came out in May, said, contrary to the noise in several quarters, carefully analyzes the data shows that minorities are not just protected but indeed thriving in India. BJP's IT cell head Amit Malviya blamed the Congress for the decline of Hindus' population share in India. He said in a social media post that the share of Hindus shrunk by 7.8% between 1950 and 2015. The Muslim population grew at 43%. This was decades of Congress rule that did to us. Left to them, there would be no country for Hindus. Well, that's all for now. For more major updates, stay tuned to the Savera.